Hello and welcome back to Palia and another walkthrough video. I am Nymphy Pixie, your weird, wayward supervisor for Learning the Ropes Gardening 101. We need to find and speak to Badru about gardening.
Nothing beats Dia family produce. Huh? Ah. Remember, romaine, calm, and farm on.
Our quest is updated. We now need to meet Badru at home for the next steps. Thankfully, he's there waiting for us.
Well, howdy, Sproutling. Oh. Ah. Woof. Oh. Let's make like bananas and peel out.
We have been given a dirt plot placeable and a makeshift hoe tool. Select the gardening plot from your bar and place it on a cleared ground area. Press and hold R to open your tool menu and select your hoe. Using the left mouse button, click and hold to begin tilling the garden plot. While tilling the dirt, you occasionally uncover quest items, resources, or consumable collectibles. Each garden plot can be tilled into a 3x3 grid, which you can plant seeds. I do find a sort of windshield wiper-like motion tills the area a bit more efficiently. With our garden plot finished, our quest is updated and we need to speak again to Badru.
Nothing beats Dia family produce. Ah. Woohoo! Thanks for stopping by.
We are now tasked with planting carrot seeds, tomato seeds, and watering them. If you check your inventory, you can see that you were given an additional gardening plot as well as the seeds needed. Select the seeds from your bar while at your gardening plot. It will give you a transparent icon of the fully grown plant on whatever square you're aimed at. Left click to plant. With our seeds planted, open your tool menu by holding the letter R and select the watering can. Our watering can is currently empty, so we need to find a shallow water source such as a river or a pond to fill it. While standing in the watering source, right-click your mouse button to fill your watering can. If you open your tool menu again, you'll see that the watering can is now full. Return to your gardening plot. Using the left mouse button, click and hold to begin watering the seeds. Each plant that requires water has a meter above it. Once full, the plant is watered for that growth cycle. A growth cycle begins and ends at 6 a.m. in-game time. Each crop takes a different number of growth cycles to become harvestable. At each new growth cycle, you may need to tend your garden to continue its growth. Needing water or having weeds will cause the crop to pause its growth. Here you can see the new growth cycle begins and the crops have matured. Let's harvest a carrot and a tomato so we can turn in our quest. Some crops provide multiple harvests from the same plant, like the tomato, which remains on the tilled soil. Others have a single harvest, like the carrot, which leaves the soil available for replanting. There is no right or wrong way to garden. If you plant the seed and water it, it will grow. There are, however, tactics to gardening. Tactics and tips are something I will cover in another video. For now, let's turn in our quest.
Why, hello there. Ah. See you later, hot potato.
That is it for Gardening 101. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.